Hey guys, I'm back to do some cornstarch videos. I haven't done oven in a long time. I doubt if I even remember how to. I don't even know if I have any chunks. I did 2 ovens, so I did 2 ovens and 2 microwaves. I already know the microwave gonna be on point, but the oven I don't know because it's been a long time since I did an oven. The oven was my first love. I used to be in love with the oven chunks. But since I got the microwave done, those are my favorite. I don't even feel like it's hard neither. It really doesn't. So you just pour it over in this bowl. This plate right here. It feels so soft. It feels so soft. I think because these have baby powders in them. They really do. I'm gonna stick with the microwave because the oven, I don't like the powder. Nope, don't like the powder of it. Little small baby chunks. Squeaky. I don't even like the way it tastes. I done got so used to microwave chunks. I got so used to microwave chunks. I don't even like the way the oven tastes anymore. Might have sent that. I don't even like the way the oven tastes no more. I really don't. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to stick with what I'm used to, and that is the microwave. The other chunks ain't getting it for me, baby. Not at all, not at all. This is just pure powder, look like. I mean, there's some in here, but I think this is like baby powder. I must have mixed this junk together. Mm-hmm. Baby, I stick with the microwave. I don't like the way the oven chunks taste anymore. I don't got no more starch. These was my last boxes that I had. I gotta go back to the store. I cooked this one for 6 minutes. Like I'm losing touch of every darn thing. There go the chunks. Yeah, I cooked this one for 6 minutes, 3 minutes each. There go the chunks. Oh, Jesus. Ooh. Big suckers, too. I mean, big suckers. Mm-mm-mm. Fill this bowl up. Bowl full. I use my other bowl. I ain't doing too much eating starch today because I just ate and my stomach is already bothering me. So that's why I'm just nibbling here, nibbling there. But y'all know I'm gonna come back with the crunch part on another video. This one also microwave for 8 minutes, 4 minutes each. don't want to come out. But this is what I got so far. Big chunks. I have no more. I literally have no more starch. Gotta make these last until I go back to the store.